Whether it's a gift, a souvenir, or just a little bloom to brighten your journey, flowers bring joy wherever they go. But can you actually bring them on a plane? Let's dive in. Can you bring flowers through airport security? Good news. The TSA says flowers can go through security with no issues. Just make sure they're not in water. Remember, liquids over 3.4 ounces are a no-go in carry-ons. So, dry bouquets or pots. You're golden. Flying with flowers on domestic flights. For domestic flights in the US, you can bring flowers in your carry-on or even in your lap. Airlines typically allow a bouquet as an additional personal item. Just double-check your airline's specific rules to avoid surprises. Packing flowers for carry-on bags. Traveling with flowers in your carry-on. Pack them in a plastic tub or box to keep them safe. Separate them from your clothes to avoid any mess. A little planning goes a long way to protect those delicate petals. Should you put flowers in checked baggage? Checked baggage, not the best idea. Flowers are fragile and can get crushed or damaged during handling. If you must, pack them in a hard container like a cardboard or wooden box to keep them protected. Can you take flowers internationally? Planning to take flowers overseas? Check the rules for your destination. Some countries require certificates for certain types of flowers, like a phytosanitary certificate in Europe. A quick visit to your destination's official website can save you a lot of hassle. Keeping flowers fresh during travel. Want to keep your flowers fresh? Wrap them in a damp towel or cloth. It keeps the blooms hydrated during your flight. For longer trips, you might need to re-wet the towel. Final thoughts. So, can you take flowers on a plane? Absolutely. Just be mindful of your fellow passengers, especially if allergies are a concern. And for international trips, check the rules ahead of time. With a little care, your blooms will arrive just as fresh as your travel vibes. Got questions about flying with flowers? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more travel tips on our channel. See you in the next adventure.